friends, this is today background I already created, and directly go to add photo and select 10 photos of yours. Okay, 10 photos. These are the 10 photos. Keep every photo aside. Okay, keep every photo aside. Now arrange one photo one by one. Okay, like I am doing in the video. I will show how to arrange, and then I will keep in fast forward mode. Okay, it will take so much of time. I am going to arrange the second photo here. Take total 10 photos and arrange one by one. Friends, finally arrange the 10 photos in the frames. Okay, now have to tap on tick mark. It's very simple and easy tutorial. The next step, go to add photo and select the model image. The model image, simply stretch out like this, and you have to arrange it like I'm doing in the video. Okay, how to arrange it perfectly like this. Rotate little bit. Okay, it will be perfect. Now tap on shadow. Now select the position option and keep this position to 105. Okay, keep this to 105. Now select this one and keep it around 113. Okay, now tap on adjust option and increase it to around 80 and decrease it to around 45. Perfect. Now select the adjust option and decrease little saturation, decrease little highlights too, and decrease little shadow, and give little temperature. Okay, sorry, decrease little temperature. Okay, it will be perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. This is shadow PNG. Simply stretch out and arrange perfectly in the bottom portion like I am doing in the video. Okay, arrange it like this in this down portion. Now tap on tick mark, and the next step, you have to go to tools, tap on adjust, and you have to increase little saturation, little more. Perfect. Decrease little highlights, give little clarity. It is perfect. Friends, if you want to give the touch up, you can give in Lightroom application. Okay, you can add this photo to Lightroom and give little touch up. You can see it is very simple and easy tutorial. I already created the background, so it is looking very simple. While arranging your photos in the background, try to select the photos like in the frame, like rectangle and square. Okay, and now you can see before, and this is the final output. And PNG's links are in description. You can go and download there. If you're first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.